Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I want to share with you a kit that I had forgotten I had. It is a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL Promo. I believe it was built by AMT and obviously put out for Ford for the dealers to give to their customers or whomever. And I've had this one in my collection for a little while now. Just thought I'd share it with you. I always thought it was a cool one. It's one of my favorite body styles that Ford put out. Some really fine detail on the interior. I was impressed with that. You have to excuse the dust. I haven't put this one in a case or anything. It's just been sitting like this. And when I received it, it had a little bit of damage to the front end here. It looked like it ran into a garbage truck or something. I don't know. But and it's got one of the little lights on the top is missing. But the most fascinating thing that I find about it is the bottom. Let's see if we can get this to stand up right. Of course, I put it the wrong way. It has to go the other way. The bottom, really? There we go. The bottom is full of all kinds of little details pointing out things like wide contoured safety frame, protects all passengers. 36,000 miles between major chassis lubes. New super torque. 119-inch wheelbase. Critical body areas, zinc armored against rust and corrosion. Try total performance for a change. Ford. It's pretty cool. I hadn't even realized that stuff was on there. Even the resonator muffler ends here, they say extended life. And this was a screw bottom. And for the trunk area, it says vacation volume trunk, meaning large trunk, I'm assuming. Wide tread design. Here's the thing at the top of the chassis. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it says 56,000 miles or 2-year antifreeze protection. 5,000 mile oil changes. And galvanized rocker panels beneath the doors. Pretty cool. That was pretty neat. And it rolls, which is nice, of course. A little scuffed up, but I mean, it is what it is. It's 61 years old as of right now, you know. Or it could be 62 if they put it out in 1963 at the end of the year. But I thought that was a cool one. Just wanted to share it with you guys. I thank you all for stopping by. And as always, Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.